Help Center Tutorials. How to add a composite product. A composite product is a set of different products of specified quantities, which are assembled to create a set of products that you want to sell in a single unit, for example, a box or a pack. Each single product or a variant of products of your catalog can be part of a composite product. Here's how you can add a composite product to your catalog in Precision Systems. Go to your web-based administrator interface settings. Choose Products from the icons displayed. Then press the Add button to start creating your product. In the upper right part of the form, choose Composition. This will allow you to enter your composite product information so you can add it to your store's catalog in Precision Systems. Give a name to your composite product in the Title field. Note that if you operate in different countries that do not have the same language, you can translate the name of the composition by pressing Show Multiple Languages below the Title field. Continue the process by choosing the category to which the composition will be assigned, the store in which it will be available, and the currency in which it will be sold. By checking the box Show the composition on the main page, your composition will appear on your sales screen as a product offered in your catalog. Otherwise, this composition will remain hidden and will be displayed only when you select one of the products composing the pack to then choose among the various options contained in the pack. To make it easier for you, we have chosen to illustrate the use of this function with the following example. The manager of a perfumery, on the occasion of Valentine's Day, wants to sell gift boxes. He would like each box to be composed of a perfume for men or a perfume for women and a hand cream or a body cream. Let's proceed to the creation of this composite product. In the Title field, we will name our composite product, Gift Box. In the part dedicated to the first composite and from the list of products in the catalog, we will select Perfume for him, then Perfume for her. Then we will move to create the second composition on the right, in which we will select Body Cream, then Hand Cream. Note that the different products selected for each of the compositions will automatically be separated by an or. Also, if you don't find a product in the list of products that will be proposed to you, scroll down and press Load More to see the rest of the products of your catalog. And finally, know that you can add as many compositions as you need to your composite product by pressing the red button, Add Another Composition. Continue the process by adding a description to the composite product if you wish in the description field. Enter respectively the price, the barcode, and the VAT rate that will be applied to the composition in the corresponding fields. And then you will only have to validate your creation by pressing the Validate button at the bottom of the page. This way, the product will be added to your catalog.